Today, I'm going to share a simple trick to make your soup broth taste naturally sweet, fragrant, and really well balanced. Don't just throw vegetables straight into boiling water or fry them randomly like usual. There's a better method that brings out the natural sweetness from the vegetables and makes your broth much more flavorful. The best part is, you don't need any seasoning powder at all. The soup still turns out naturally sweet and really delicious. Let's get started. For this recipe, we only need 4 simple ingredients: broccoli, onion, garlic, and carrot. First, wash everything thoroughly. Then cut them into small pieces so they release more flavor during cooking.
Each vegetable plays an important role. Onion becomes naturally sweet when heated. It releases its natural sugars, which gives the broth a rich and smooth taste. Carrot adds a gentle sweetness and also gives the soup a beautiful golden color, making it more appetizing. Garlic helps build a deep aroma that makes the broth smell really good. And broccoli helps balance the flavor and adds more depth to the soup. For the amount, you can use about half an onion, half a carrot, a few broccoli florets, and around 2 garlic cloves. If you want a stronger aroma, you can add more garlic. Now crush or finely chop the garlic so it releases more flavor. If you want to make a bigger batch for storage, you can simply multiply the ingredients. This is great if you want to prepare soup base in advance. You can store it in the fridge and use it anytime for soups or stir-fried dishes. It saves a lot of cooking time.
Next, we start cooking. First, heat a pan and add a small amount of oil. We don't add water yet. This step is important. Lightly sautéing the vegetables in oil first helps release a deeper aroma and improves the overall taste of the broth. Use low heat and start with the garlic. Stir it until it becomes fragrant. Then add the onion. Let it cook slowly so it softens and releases its natural sweetness. After that, add the carrot and continue stirring. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. This helps bring out the natural flavor of the vegetables. Keep stirring everything together for a short time so the flavors combine well. Now, pour in around 600 milliliters of water. If you're making a larger portion, just adjust the water accordingly. Let it simmer over medium heat. Don't use high heat because it can break down the vegetables too quickly and make the broth cloudy. Wait until it comes to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, add the broccoli last. We add broccoli at the end because it cooks quickly and keeps its nutrients better this way. If you cook it too long, it can lose its freshness. Let it boil again for a short moment, then turn off the heat. At this point, the aroma should fill your kitchen. The smell is rich, warm, and naturally sweet. And the taste? Naturally sweet. No seasoning powder needed. Let it cool slightly, then serve it into a bowl. You'll see a beautiful golden broth with soft vegetables floating inside. It looks simple, but the flavor is really comforting. This soup can be enjoyed on its own, or used as a base for clear soups, noodles, or even stir-fry dishes. If you want more flavor, you can add a little black pepper before serving. You can also add your favorite protein, like chicken, tofu, or fish balls to make it more filling. This method is simple, but it changes the way you make soup forever. It brings out natural sweetness from vegetables without any artificial seasoning. Give it a try at home. You might be surprised how good something this simple can taste. Thanks for watching Easy Genius DIY.